What's up, Jessica Squad? Today we got the meals everyone will love. It's called Home Chef, and there was a promotion on Groupon for $35 for 2 weeks. So we're gonna check it out and see what it's like. I'm excited. Whoa, what's in there? Let's see. Some kind of yellow paper. Oh, some kind of yellow packages. Oh, this looks so small. Okay. This is supposed to be, I think, a meal for 2 people. Okay. Oh, don't throw everything. Okay, and here's the good stuff. Here's the meat. So these are some very small portions. That's pretty small. And this is supposed to be enough for 4 people, so I think each person is only going to get one little tiny piece of meat. There's a little shrimp and a chicken. That little bit of food right there is going to be able to make some Philly cheesesteak enchiladas, hoisin ginger chicken with some vegetables and wontons on top, and some hoisin ginger chicken with more vegetables. Oh, but they gave us shrimp, so we could probably change one of them to shrimp. Oh my goodness, my daughter opened up one of the packages of a... Stop, did you do this back? She opened it up like it was like a shipping thing to protect the food, and it's full of this fluffy foam. It looks like dryer lint. And it comes with these 2 big ice packs. These are just ice. Too bad it's not more food. So just for this little bit of food, I already know that I'm not going to keep this trial. After the 2 weeks is over, I'm going to cancel because it was $35 for 2 weeks as a trial. And then after that, it's going to be $60 a week, which is way too much money, and I can definitely get a lot more for $60 than that little bit of stuff. This is like too much juice here, so I'm gonna dump it. And then I'm gonna turn out some of the juice because again that's too saucy. Okay. Okay, so for sauce, they just gave me 1 little cream cheese, a little bit of mozzarella, and it's supposed to be a little salt and a little water. Yeah. Okay. And what did you think about the enchilada? Was it good from the company or no? Oh, here you go. This is her first time having an enchilada, right? She'll probably like it. She's not picky.
I like it.
So I washed the shrimp really good. There's the shrimp all done. Now add some more oil to my pan. I'm going to saute this garlic and tomato. I'm also just going to go ahead and add the corn too. And since I had a little green onions, I guess I'll just add the green onions also. So green. I'm going to add the buttermilk dressing. And I'm going to add back in the shrimp. And give this a stir. Okay, this means a little pepper. So there it is, everybody. And I don't know what this is called because I lost the recipe card.
I like it.
Yay! She pushed away the enchilada. Now she's going to try the pasta. Is that one good? Lori, like it? Mmm. The pasta's good? I like it.
I don't like it. I already said that.
I ended up serving this with some jasmine rice and some mangoes for my kids. And I'm not going to continue my subscription. I'm just using the trial only because I see that the portions are way too small and it's not going to fit my budget. We also saw that on the website it says you can customize each meal, but it's not really true. They have a limited menu, and for your protein choices, they will even charge you extra if you want to substitute steak or shrimp. And it's already pretty expensive, so I don't think they should charge extra for that. If these three meals were ranked in best flavor, the shrimp pasta would come first, the enchilada second, and the chicken and vegetables last. And we really think this is a great idea, especially if you can't get out of your house, or if you want to spoil yourself for the week and have all the meals brought to you so you don't go shopping. And this is probably great if you're on a diet too, because you can't buy any junk food since they only put healthy food. This is also a really great cooking lesson. You can just pass the recipe card to your children and let them prepare a meal. Thanks for watching our review, everyone.
Thanks for watching. Bye.